Alrighty, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Let's get started. Step by step guide rebuild credit after eviction, repossession, or bankruptcy. Step 1, you want to check your credit reports and your scores. You can visit annualcreditreport.com for free reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Use apps to monitor your credit score. Step 2, dispute any errors. Dispute incorrect or outdated items. File disputes online with proof like payment receipts or settlement letters. Get a secured credit card. Apply for deposit back secured cards. Use it for small purchase and off monthly to build pay it off monthly to build history. Step 4, get a credit builder loan. Offered by credit unions or online lenders, pay monthly and receive funds at the end. Helps build history. Report rent and utility payments. Use services like rental, or rent reporters to report on-time rent and utilities to credit bureaus. You also can use Experian Boost. Keep credit utilization low. Use less than 30% of your credit limit. Ideal under 10%. Example 500. If you have a secure credit card for 500, you want to keep it under $150, which is 30% of 500. Avoid new late payments. Set auto pay or reminders. Late payments hurt your score and delay rebuilding. Monitor progress monthly. Track score and watch for errors. Redispute if needed. Stay consistent with good habits. Summary. Check reports. Dispute errors. Use secured card and building loans. Report rent paid on time. And monitor regularly. This is for educational purpose only. Make sure you're out there trying to stay above water and not be behind the eight ball for us a lot of credit debt. Have a good day.